Affiliate marketing has become one of the most accessible and effective ways for individuals and businesses to earn income online. But what exactly is affiliate marketing, and how does it work? At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards third-party partners, known as affiliates, for generating traffic or sales through the affiliate's marketing efforts. In simple terms, affiliates earn a commission by promoting a company's products or services and driving potential customers to their website. The process starts with an affiliate joining an affiliate program, which is usually hosted by a brand, a merchant, or an affiliate network. Once approved, the affiliate receives unique tracking links or codes, which they can incorporate into their content. These links are essential. They allow the company to track which sales or leads were generated by which affiliate. Affiliates promote products or services using various channels. Some create detailed product reviews or tutorials on blogs and YouTube channels, while others leverage social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Email marketing is another powerful tool, enabling affiliates to reach their audiences directly. The most successful affiliates build trust and provide genuine value, often selecting products that align with their niche and their audience's interests. When a potential customer clicks on an affiliate's unique link and completes a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an app, the affiliate earns a commission. The commission structure can vary. Some merchants offer a flat fee per sale, while others provide a percentage of the sales value. In some cases, affiliates are paid for leads, regardless of whether a purchase is made. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. Anyone with an internet connection and a platform to share content can become an affiliate. There's no need to develop a product, handle inventory, or manage customer service. Affiliates can work from anywhere and choose products or services that fit their interests and expertise. For businesses, affiliate marketing provides a cost-effective way to expand their reach. They only pay for actual results, sales or leads, making it a low-risk option compared to traditional advertising. By partnering with affiliates who have established trust and credibility with their audiences, brands can tap into new markets and demographics. However, success in affiliate marketing isn't automatic. Affiliates need to invest time and effort into understanding their audience, selecting the right products, and producing compelling content. Transparency is key. Most regulations require affiliates to disclose their relationships with brands to maintain trust with their audience. Tracking and analytics play a crucial role. Affiliates should monitor which strategies and channels drive the most conversions and optimize their efforts accordingly. Many affiliate programs offer dashboards with real-time data, but savvy affiliates often use additional tools to track link clicks, conversion rates, and other key metrics. The affiliate marketing landscape continues to evolve. As technology advances and consumer behaviors change, new opportunities and challenges arise. Influencer marketing, for example, has become intertwined with affiliate marketing as brands increasingly collaborate with individuals who have significant social media followings. In summary, affiliate marketing is a dynamic and rewarding field that offers benefits to both affiliates and businesses. It empowers individuals to monetize their online presence and expertise while giving companies a scalable way to grow their customer base. With dedication, authenticity, and a willingness to learn, anyone can find success in affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing is a valuable step towards building a sustainable online income.